Hey, class of 2025! The moment you've been waiting for is almost here. Your Matric results will be announced on 12th January 2026. And in this video, we will show you exactly how to check your results online in South Africa. Before checking your results, make sure you have your Matric exam number and ID number ready. You'll need these to access your results online. Open your browser and visit education.gov.za. Click on Matric Results. Enter your exam number carefully and submit. Your results should appear on screen. You can also check your Matric results using your phone. Send your exam number via SMS to 45856 or dial *120*35658# and follow the prompts. Please note that standard SMS rates may apply. Remember, your online results are provisional. Your official statement of results must be collected from your school or exam center. Once you have your results, the next big step is deciding what to study and where. At Regenesys Education, we offer a wide range of undergraduate programs in South Africa, including business, management, law, technology, economics, and education. With flexible study options and industry-focused learning, Regenesys helps you turn your Matric results into a successful future. Good luck to the class of 2025. If this video helped you, give it a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.